Hi, we're Mel and Damien from Brittons, and this is another one of our short but hopefully useful videos designed to assist you when you're looking to purchase or sell a property.
Now, the topic we want to talk to you about today, quite frankly, we find really dull and very boring.
Which doesn't sound like a great idea for a video.
But in truth, what we aim to do is to inform you about how we can protect you from facing fines and ultimately imprisonment.
Prison. Now that sounds very, very scary when you're simply looking to sell your property and hopefully move on to your next dream home. What's even scarier is the amount of estate agents that don't know that these regulations even exist, let alone how to protect you from them and the consequences of getting them wrong.
Now, very recently, the Consumer Protection from Unfair Trading Regulation 2008 was updated, and what it meant was that buyers have a lot more protection when purchasing your property, so it's no longer just buyer beware.
In brief, what these regulations tell us is that we must provide all of the material information that the average consumer requires to make an informed transactional decision.
In plain English?
In plain English, let's start with the term material information. Well, this covers an awful lot of things. However, if we give the example of a seller now being forced to disclose to a buyer any structural defects, this could be a lot of other things, but ultimately it's anything that may lead them to making or not making an offer on the property. In truth, this actually begins long before, because it could affect the average consumer deciding whether or not to even make a viewing on your property.
Now also, sellers will have to declare via their agent if they've had a sale going through on the property and it has fallen through because of a bad survey, and also they will need to declare the reasons why. So we have to be very transparent in all the information that we're providing to buyers.
Surveys are really the tip of the iceberg. If we think about people coming even to see your property, we need to know whether or not you've got a noisy neighbour. We need to know if the property is in close proximity to a railway line, which would create excessive noise, probably at some strange times of day and night. We even need to know if you can get broadband at your property. And don't even get me started on the perils of Japanese knotweed.
So we have to disclose this and lots of other information to the buyer now, and obviously we're relying on owners to tell us this information, and failure to do so or not tell us accurately could result in you facing 2 years imprisonment as well as us.
So, we'd like to avoid sharing a sell, as nice as you may be, but here's the part where you can relax, because at Brittons we take time and care to make sure that our team have regular updates and training on all of these issues and more. So if you have a property that you're looking to sell and you want to get it right, then come and see your local property experts, and we will be more than happy to talk you through consumer protection regulations and how it affects you when you're looking to sell your property. For more of these videos and all of our latest property, please do pay us a visit at brittons.net, and we'll see you on the very next video.